Welcome to Sandra's Big House. My Swiss meringue buttercream is so incredibly smooth and silky. It is the only one I use when I need my piping to look top-notch, and it tastes absolutely heavenly. Its airy yet very stable structure makes it suitable for cupcakes, cake layering, frosting, and any type of advanced piping that you can imagine. Start by taking out butter from the fridge ahead of time. We need it room temperature and soft, but not melted. If you forgot, no problem. Chop cold butter, microwave for about 20-30 seconds, and beat with a hand mixer. Check if it's still cold and heat a little more. Now egg whites. Meringue in the name indicates whipping them with granulated sugar. But first we need to pasteurize them and melt sugar crystals by heating them over a double boiler. Stir continuously until egg whites and sugar reach the temperature on the screen, 160 Fahrenheit or 71 Celsius. Now let cool for 5 minutes, add a pinch of salt, and start whipping using a powerful hand mixer or a stand mixer on medium speed, and then high speed. Remember to have a very clean and grease-free bowl and whisks. It's important for meringue and butter to be no more than 10 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Fahrenheit apart to create a stable emulsion. When you see stiff peaks and bowls no longer hot, more like room temperature or slightly warm to touch, add butter little by little and whip on medium speed for 5 to 7 minutes after that. Tell me in the comments if you ever used this type of buttercream before. Swiss meringue buttercream might look separated or soupy at first, but just keep going, it's all part of the process. As long as your egg whites and butter with the right temperature, things will come together. Optionally, add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. When done, you should end up with a light and fluffy buttercream with amazing and delicate flavor. For design and piping, smooth it out with a spatula for a couple minutes to get rid of the air bubbles. It's ready to use right away. Store this kind of buttercream up to 7 days in the fridge by itself if you make it ahead of time. In this case, let it come to room temperature and whip again for a minute or two in order to bring the emulsion back to life. Good luck with your sweet journey and stay tuned for more.